which targets your hamstrings and upper back. It gives a great flexibility to your hips and back. So let us see how to do it. We'll start with seated posture with legs straight in front of you. Now take your right foot and place it on the left thigh, very close to your pelvic bone. Okay, as much as you can. So right hand, take it from behind and try to hold the right big toe. Now lift your left hand up straight. Try to lengthen your spine and then slowly bend forward and hold your foot. You can look forward or you can rest your chin on or the forehead on the shin bone. Okay, stay in this posture, hold the posture to work effectively, at least for 15 to 20 seconds before you release. Now when you want to release, slowly release your hand, lift your torso up and try to release the big toe and you relax your legs. Before you fully relax, repeat it on the other side. Thank you.